The best mechanical keyboards is probably one of the most transformative tech accessories you can add to your setup. When picking a mechanical keyboard, consider the noise level, keyboard layout, connection type, and switch type that best suits your needs. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 5 mechanical keyboards and their key features plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. Number 5. Logitech G915. Experience an elegant and exceptionally crafted wireless mechanical keyboard. It's sleek, tactile, and perfect for long typing sessions. With Logitech's Lightspeed technology, enjoy precise performance in wireless mode. The proprietary GL switches offer speed and effortless typing. The G915 features a compact aluminum body with customizable RGB backlighting and superb media controls. It's perfect for on-the-go use. Lasting for days between charges, the G915 is designed for convenience and efficiency. Stay productive without worrying about battery life. For a more budget-friendly option, Logitech offers a wired variant of the G915 keyboard. Get the same quality and performance at a lower price. What we like. If you are looking for a wireless mechanical keyboard with sleek design and impressive GL switches, you should consider this. Ideal for lengthy typing sessions and customizable RGB backlighting. What people say. This keyboard feels very solid and well built. The keys have a nice tactile feedback and are not too loud. The backlighting is customizable with a variety of effects and brightness levels. It adds a nice touch to the overall aesthetics of the keyboard. Number 4. SteelSeries Apex Pro. The SteelSeries Apex Pro boasts an elegant design that is superbly built and packed with features that make it well worth its considerable price tag. You can store several custom profiles on the keyboard, ensuring that it is always optimized for the task at hand. During long typing sessions, you can make the keys more sensitive to enhance your typing experience. For gaming, you can use a profile that requires longer key travel, avoiding accidental presses and providing a seamless gaming experience. The SteelSeries Apex Pro features an OLED display with customizable graphics, aircraft-grade aluminum frame, media controls with superb tactility, customizable RGB backlighting, and a bundled magnetic wrist pad. What we like. If you like customizable profiles and an OLED display, this is the keyboard for you. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum, with superb tactility, media controls and customizable RGB backlighting. What people say. The programmable depth of activation, quality of materials, and overall feel are very good. The ability to switch the actuation on the fly is clutch. Highly recommend this product. The whole board feels well made and solid. I think it'll last a while. Number 3. RAZER BLACKWIDOW Elite. Looking for a reasonably priced mechanical keyboard with a cool design and a plethora of features? The RAZER BLACKWIDOW Elite is the answer. Customize the keyboard's functionality and RGB lighting easily with Razer's Synapse software suite. Make it truly your own. Experience precise linear tactility and quiet operation with the gaming giant's own mechanical switches. Perfect for gaming and typing. Access multimedia functions easily with dedicated keys on the RAZER BLACKWIDOW Elite. Enhance your gaming and entertainment experience. The RAZER BLACKWIDOW Elite has earned high praise from reviewers for its build quality, features, and overall performance. A top choice for gamers. What we like. If you are a gamer looking for a reasonably priced keyboard with RAZER switches and fully customizable RGB lighting, this is the one for you. Precise linear tactility and quiet operation for an enhanced gaming experience. What people say. I love the keyboard, it has a nice feeling to it. Heavy, doesn't feel like the other types of keyboards and the feels easy to break plastic. It's sturdy. The brightness of the RGB is very nice as well. It's bright and looks amazing. With a lot of stuff you can do with the app. The keyboard design is really nice. Smaller than the Chroma Light, but still very good. Number 2. KINESIS FREESTYLE Edge Keyboard. With its split ergonomic design, you can easily adjust the layout to your exact preference for maximum comfort. Choose from a variety of Cherry MX mechanical switches for a personalized typing experience. Personalize the RGB lighting of each key to match your style and create a unique gaming setup. Enjoy the bundled wrist pad for exceptional comfort during long typing or gaming sessions. KINESIS Gaming offers a complete package with the FREESTYLE Edge keyboard, ensuring you have everything you need for an optimal typing experience. What we like. If you need an ergonomic keyboard with split design and customizable RGB lighting, this is the one for you. Individual customization of RGB lighting for every key and a comfortable wrist pad included. What people say. Right now, the KINESIS FREESTYLE Edge is the best relatively conventional ergonomic keyboard you can buy. No exceptions. I put this purchase off for a while because I wasn't sure if a split keyboard would improve my shoulder pain. I have since found it encourages better posture, and I feel a little better at the end of the day, so it's worth the money for me. I had planned to remove them, but they work really nicely. Number 1. Drop Alt Mechanical Keyboard. Looking for a mechanical keyboard that won't take up much desk space? The Drop Alt has a 67-key layout that focuses on the typing basics. After spending a couple of weeks with the Alt, I was impressed by its compact design, providing a distraction-free typing experience. Developed by a community of mechanical keyboard enthusiasts, the Alt offers easy-to-swap switches, programmable features, and fully customizable RGB backlighting. With a machined aluminum frame, the Alt keyboard boasts exceptional build quality, setting it apart from its rivals in this price range. Unlike other keyboards, the Alt features 2 USB-C connectors, providing added convenience and flexibility for users. What we like. If you want a compact mechanical keyboard with easy-to-swap switches and customizable RGB backlighting, this is the perfect choice for you. Minimalist layout for a distraction-free typing experience with exceptional build quality and dual USB-C connectors. What people say. This keyboard may be the last one you ever need, if you know exactly what you want, aka a dope AF 65% keyboard. If you are looking for dedicated function keys, consider the Control keyboard. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.